I'm sitting in one of the properties that makes up this 10 million property portfolio, and the sun is busy rising there at the back. I overlook this incredible view that I've got. And as it's, let me perhaps sit down. Right. So I'm basically reminded of something that I've declared less than 4 years ago. And that was that I'm going to turn 100 Rand into a property portfolio worth more than 10 million in under 5 years. Now, at that time, I can guarantee you, and maybe you were one of the people, basically no one believed me. Why? Simply because of their paradigm. Now, the paradigm is a mental lens through which they see the world as well as themselves. So why is it that most people get stuck? The truth is, your paradigm controls your thinking controls your behavior, and your behavior then therefore controls the results that you're going to get. So if you are living in a paradigm that says it's impossible, you're going to dismiss any new idea before you even start that tells you that it is possible. And that is simply why 99% of the people who heard me 4 years ago did absolutely nothing. And today, well, the reality hasn't changed. But there's a few people that did, and that is busy changing the reality, and that is showing results. But a very small group of people did shift their paradigm, and they realized that wealth is created first in the mind, then in the reality. Everyone thinks it's a course, or it's a miracle, or it's just internet, or it's artificial intelligence. You just click one button and your reality changes. No, it starts in the mind first. And once you've got that right, then it starts. Here's the truth, my friend, you don't need money to start. You need the right knowledge, you need the right mindset, you need the right skill sets. There are 4 high-value skills. The first one and the most important one that's going to determine 95% of your success will be the high-value mental skills. And no one focus on how do we change the paradigm, because unless you can master the high-value mental skills, you will not change your paradigm. It's as simple as that. But once you change the way that you see the world, in other words, you shift your paradigm, or you see the world through a different lens, opportunity is going to appear that others can't even see. And that is what I call the wealth creators lens. And this is what I'm going to help you with, if you allow me. Now, what is my reality today? 4 years ago, about when I said what I'm going to do, no one believed me, but today it's my reality. And I've turned less than 100 Rand into a property portfolio worth more than 10 million. Now, this is only a part of the story, because in the process, I've started 2 businesses. We are busy rolling out the third one right now. And we've got a nice cryptocurrency portfolio within this. So if we do the valuation the way that the world will do it in terms of cap rate, when it comes to your property, or they use the PE factors to determine the value of a business. This that I've built because of that little challenge that I've set out to prove a point, basically, is worth, I would say, far more than 20 million, and not only 10 million. And now, here's the best thing. I did not rely on the banks or any traditional financing method the way that everyone else is going to try to do it. Why? That's their paradigm. And that paradigm, that lens through which they look, was established by hijacking the 6 higher faculties of the mind, so that they cannot achieve these results. Because let's face it, if you know how to do it, you are not going to use the bank. There's no reason to give that money and the interest to the bank, take all that risk. It is absolutely what they want you to believe. And because it's so ingrained in your way of thinking, your way of doing, that you do not see another way. And therefore, you first have to change your paradigm. You have to shift that paradigm. Now, the difference wasn't luck. People will say, Hannes, you're lucky. I've used this in 1987 when I developed the formula for wealth creation and wealth creator strategy. I've used that 7 years later, we were financially free. I've used that to teach my students for many, many years, since 2002. I've used exactly the same thing to do my PhD, to prove with a result-based outcome that you can turn 79 cents into more than 10 million in less than 5 years. I've proved academically and scientifically that you can start a business with absolutely no money, with no security. I've proved that you can buy properties 2 ways for free. One is if you've got the security, in other words, you've got a job, The second way is that you don't actually even need a job. You don't need income. You simply have to change the paradigm, the way that you view the world, because then you're going to see what was meant by the universe and why there's a law of multiplication where you've got everything. If I look at the nature, when springtime, beginning of springtime, everything starts growing, everything is blooming, everything is preparing for the season in order to produce the fruits. And when you look at one tree, how many fruits is going to produce? It will be hundreds. It's not a fraction like in the traditional financial system where you get 10% of one. Here in nature, that I'm looking, I can see seeds, hundreds of seeds on one single plant. Now, when you tell people about the universe and about the hermetic laws and how these laws and the 6 higher faculties line up with the formula for wealth creation, they're going to dismiss it because in their paradigm, it's simply not possible to start a business with no money and no security in their part-time. It is not possible to buy a property either if they've got a security or even they haven't got any security or they haven't got money to be able to do it. It simply sounds too good to be true, and therefore they're going to repeat that within their lens, within the way that they think, right? And by doing that, they're going to keep in the same cycle year after year. Look at where you were 4 years ago. If you have adopted a new paradigm, and you could be in a position where you've got a 10 million property portfolio, as an example, that is giving you between 150 to 200,000 rand per month, would your life change? Of course it would change. But you first have to change your paradigm. You can't get into that reality because we're living in what we call the third dimension in a space-time. You move through space. Mentally, you've seen the picture. Mentally, you are there. But it takes time, and you have to, in order to become successful, you need to get the right information, right order for the level of the game that you're at. And then you have to apply it. In my case, the results is simply my investment growth rate must be bigger than my financial freedom growth rate. It's as simple as that. The moment that you do that, you do not have the choice but to become successful and be financially free. Now, I'd like to invite you to a webinar that I'm going to conduct, and that is Escape the Rat Race Masterclass. And in this lesson, I'm going to show you why 99% of people stay stuck in this rat race. I'm going to show you the paradigm that the world wants you to adopt, that you've actually adopted already. How they're using tax, how they use inflation, how they use debt, and how they use the Cantillon effect in order to siphon and to take money from you, siphon it to the, let's call it the global or the local elite, and how they keep you stuck in this rat race. And then I'm going to show you exact strategy that I've used to go from 100 in this last challenge to over more than 10 million. And as I've said, I did not even include the cryptos or the businesses in this evaluation in less than 4 years. I'm going to show you the blueprint, how the formula for wealth creation works. I'm going to show you how to link the mind powers in order, the higher faculties of the mind to that, in order to accelerate this whole process. I'm going to show you how important a power goal is and how that gives you direction and how to use it in the right way. And then I'm going to show you how to use the hermetic laws or the universal principles in life in order to enhance this so that you can shift that paradigm and see the world the way that it was meant for you as a wealth creator to see, that we are living in a world of total absolute abundance. And the reason why I'm doing this is to help you to shift your paradigm and to start building your path to financial freedom. So all you have to do is you find a link, click on that link, make sure that you pitch up, and make sure that you're going to take notes, and make sure that you come with an absolutely open mind, because I'm going to rattle you. The things that I'm going to share with you, what I've done, what my students have done, is not going to be normal. You know, when you say to people, Leon started a business, and on the first day that he started that business, he made 1.4 million rand on the single first day. People will not believe that if they've got this paradigm, this lens, that it's impossible. What if I tell you about Jimmy? Jimmy sat in one of my advanced property courses, and I discussed something that I've done many, many years ago when I bought my first commercial property. And immediately I could literally see that light bulb moment. 11 months later, Jimmy invited me, Tanya and myself, to a dinner and to say thanks. He made more than 11 million rand in 11 months without costing him a cent. In fact, over that period of time on his property portfolio, he made more than 220,000 rand net profit. Of course, he still had to pay tax on it. I can tell you stories about Brendan that is starting with absolutely zero, following the wealth creator strategy in the university, and today is handling a portfolio in the Americas of more than $300 million. I can go on and on, but you're not going to believe it unless you change your paradigm, unless you change the way that you see the world. And this is what I'm going to help you in this webinar, to start that process. So I want you to remember this. Your paradigm is going to try to dismiss this. It's going to whisper things like, it's not for me, it's not possible, it's too good to be true. Don't let that paradigm keep you from becoming the best version of yourself. Don't let that paradigm keep you from staying in the rat race. Your results in life are a direct reflection of your paradigm, my friend. All you have to do is to change your paradigm and you change your result. The choice is yours. Stay stuck or escape the rat race. I can help you with that. Click on that link, make sure to attend, and I'll show you how.